To buy Ethereum printer token. So this token came under the symbol of ERRR. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money with crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, check the next account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 9 hours ago and increased by 5,000% in less than 4 hours. And also this token trending number 15 in this one section. Now to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address, and after that open your fund to wallet for that. And you can click on swap here. Make sure that you have the installed on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click on pricing. Now click on provider, select Jupiter, click on apply. Now go back, and you will be able to find here swap. Click on it, and after that you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy ERR token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.